Air India crash: do not cremate the bodies yet, warns UK law firm in a significant development following the tragic crash of Air India flight AI-171. British law firm Keystone Law has launched an independent investigation into the incident, which claimed the lives of 241 people, including 53 British citizens. While the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau AAIB continues its official probe with assistance from the UK's Air Accidents Investigation Branch AIBUC, the parallel inquiry by Keystone Law focuses primarily on legal accountability and securing justice for victims' families, particularly in the UK. The ill-fated Boeing 787 Dreamliner, bound for London, crashed shortly after takeoff on Thursday, June 12. The aircraft, powered by two General Electric engines, now lies at the heart of a major international forensic and technical investigation. But as governments look into the crash's cause, grieving families are turning to the courts, and lawyers. Ashish K. Singh, managing partner of Capstone Legal, clarified that Keystone Law's investigation is completely independent from the UK government's AAIB. Keystone is exploring potential civil liability, including tort-based claims under UK law against entities such as Boeing and Air India, Singh said, adding that this is not a government probe but it is about accountability and justice. Leading the Keystone legal team are aviation experts James Healy Pratt and Owen Hanna, with additional legal muscle from Chicago-based Wisner law firm, known for its expertise in aviation litigation. Wisner had previously advised victims' families in the 2020 Kozhikode crash of an Air India Express aircraft, which killed 21 after it overran the runway and fell into a gorge. In a stark advisory to families of the deceased, Keystone Law has issued a legal caution to avoid cremating or burying the bodies, at least not before consulting legal counsel. According to James Healy Pratt, British law, specifically under the UK's coronial jurisdiction, does not permit formal inquests if the body has been cremated, as ashes are not considered legally admissible remains. There is an urgent need for identification and repatriation of bodies, Healy Pratt stated, adding that a UK coroner will only be able to open a proper inquest if the body remains intact. Once cremated, it becomes legally and forensically impossible to determine the cause of death for legal proceedings, he further said. The firm has urged families to delay funerals and seek immediate legal guidance before making arrangements in the country. The outcome of any future lawsuits could depend heavily on whether the body was preserved for examination. The crash is expected to trigger a web of complex insurance and reinsurance claims involving both Indian and international stakeholders. Satyendra Srivastava, co-founder of Consortia Legal, noted that bereaved British families will likely seek compensation under UK laws. Insurance companies will not only have to cover the total loss of the aircraft but also pay out for passenger deaths, injuries, and third-party property damage, Srivastava said. These claims could span across borders and jurisdictions, increasing the legal and logistical complexity. Swipe left for next video. Paritaja, partner at Pioneer Legal, said that in such cases, the families of the victims play a decisive role. They must choose whether to pursue an investigation into the cause of death. If cremation is carried out, that decision is taken away from them, because it closes the door to legal inquiry, she explained. In the meantime, the Tata Group, which owns Air India, has announced immediate financial relief for the families of the deceased. However, legal experts indicate that this is only the beginning of what could be a long, transnational legal battle involving major aviation corporations, insurance giants, and grieving families determined to seek answers. Latest blogs